Welcome guys, we are running out of time, 60 days remaining for the NEET PG. There are two sets of questions that are coming again and again. First question, how we should proceed for the next 60 days. And number second set of question hai, that is, sir, how can we increase our number of questions in the test series? Plus, so how can we solve tougher questions? Because I guess the last GT was tough from the Mero aspect. The guys were continuously asking, sir, how can we increase that number of questions? First, let me talk about the strategy for the next 60 days. Don't do anything extraordinary. Just stick to the notes, stick to your basic preparation. अब बस ये करें कि जो भी पढ़ा है first set of notes, revise it again and again. What I think is 75% of questions are from the previous year topics. हमेशा repeat होते हैं. Some question will be there. They will be new. There will be some tough question also. Nobody prepares for the tough questions. We all prepare for the good questions, average questions, and the most commonly asked questions. Guys, एक बात मेरी हमेशा याद रखना, एग्जाम्स लाइक नीट पीजी यहाँ पे रैंक वही अचीव करता है who will make less silly mistakes. Everyone will make silly mistakes. Even you can ask your seniors who has been selected with a good rank, ask them. They also must have made lots of silly mistakes. Even I made lots of silly mistakes in the exam. रैंक वही मारेगा जो सबसे कम silly mistakes करेगा एग्जाम में, और silly mistake कम वो करेगा who will focus on the average topics, most commonly asked topics, previous year questions, and plus who has solved lots of questions. If somebody has solved like 150 to 200 questions per day for the 6 months kind of students, they will be the one who will make less silly mistakes and will get 160 plus questions correct. Don't look for the shortcuts now. Let me go for 7 days classes of that guy, let me go 3 days classes of that guy. No, you have to do nothing now. Just revise your principal notes, because guys, there are two kind of memories. One is audible memories and one is visual memories. Because when you have made your notes, you have heard the teacher and you have a visual memory of that note. So if some question will be asked now, you can mark it. Let me give you example. When I gave my NEET assess, there was one question regarding the drug induced liver injury. There were 4 drugs. We have to answer which drug was not matched with the kind of liver injury. Because I have read that table in the Harrison, which is given particular drugs which causes cholestasis, which causes hepatitis. It's a long table. And in the exam, literally the book opened in my mind and I have completely identified that Melphalan question was of Melphalan. This kind of memories will help in the exam, because in exam, when we go in exam, the memory is a subconscious memory. You will not remember anything, but when question arrives on the screen, the memory starts to appear, and that memory is not only visual memory, it also audible memory. Both दोनों memory होती है जो आपको exam में help करती है. सबसे पहली बात है confidence. You should be confident enough. And I am telling you, just solve the previous year topics, just solve the most commonly asked topics, go for the average and easy topics. Don't remember the tough topics. Tough topics means, such as in the last Mero exam, they have asked lots of tough topics. Even there is no need to go to that top. That's why I am saying go smarter way. Smarter way, complete topics in the definitive. काम खत्म करें, अपने बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग करें. बेसिक मतलब जो क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं, कम से कम वो टॉपिक्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करें. और जितने जीटी लगाए आपने, उनमें से देखिए कितने टॉपिक ऐसे थे जो 70% लोगों ने सही किए हुए हैं. तो मतलब वो टॉपिक ऐसे हैं जो आपको आ रहे हैं, वो टॉपिक आपको भी आने चाहिए. कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी होंगे जो बहुत कम लोगों ने सही किए होंगे, उन्हें छोड़ दें आप, बिकॉज़ सम क्वेश्चंस आर ऑलवेज कंट्रोवर्शियल. डोंट गो इनटू कंट्रोवर्सी. बिल्कुल भी कंट्रोवर्सी में ना जाए. इजी टॉपिक पे फोकस करें और अपने आप को इंप्रूव करें. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट 60 डेज में इतना ही करें, कुछ भी काम नहीं है. नो नीड टू गो फॉर द शॉर्टकट्स फॉर लाइक 7 day क्लासेस, 3 day क्लासेस, ये वो. Because I have met a lot of interns, they also said, sir, this time DVT was worst. The DVT doesn't help us regarding the some subjects, and I also feel the same. But DVT, it is better for some guys, it is not better for the some guys, because DVT better उनके लिए, the guy who completed 1 or 2 revision. DVT is better for them, but some guy who has not even revised single time, DVT will not help. I'm telling you, 155, 160 plus questions maybe आप लोग correct कर देंगे. और कुछ टॉपिक ऐसे ऐसे एनाटॉमी और बायोकेमिस्ट्री याद है. एनाटॉमी में गो फॉर द इजी टॉपिक्स, उन्हें पढ़ें आप. टफ टॉपिक को छोड़ दें. अगर 5 से 6 क्वेश्चन आए भी सही तो आप 3-4 करेक्ट कर देंगे. 2 क्वेश्चन 3 क्वेश्चन आप छोड़ सकते हैं. आप एनाट के क्वेश्चन में 2-3 क्वेश्चन का मार्जिन ले सकते हैं, छोड़ सकते हैं. बायोकेमिस्ट्री में भी 2-3 क्वेश्चन का मार्जिन लेके छोड़ सकते हैं. मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज अगर आपने बाकी टॉपिक्स अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिए हैं तो आप 160 करेक्ट कर सकते हैं एग्जाम में जाके. सो द ओनली एडवाइस फ्रॉम माई साइड इज फोकस ऑन दी कॉमनली आस्क्ड टॉपिक्स, average topics. Don't look at the tougher topics, because lots students texted me, sir, when we will able to solve the tougher question. No, there's no need. देखना भी नहीं है भाई, देखना भी नहीं है. Focus on the easy topics and just revise your principal note, practice lots of questions and be confident enough, because if you have solved 2000 3000 questions in all time, definitely maybe 60 to 70 questions जो होंगे वो same to same होंगे. I'm telling you, same to same होंगे. So please focus on the topics and you will get a very good rank. Okay.